If you want to change the language in ElevenLabs, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to go in just a few clicks. Whether you're using ElevenLabs for voice generation, audio projects, or testing the platform in your native language, changing the app language can make the whole experience easier and more comfortable. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open ElevenLabs and look for your profile icon. Depending on your screen size and layout, you'll usually find it in the bottom left corner or sometimes in the top right corner. This profile icon is where your account settings and personal preferences are stored, so click it to open a menu. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for your ElevenLabs account. Once you're inside Settings, take a moment to scroll down slowly until you find the Application Language section. This is the part of the settings page that controls the language used across the interface. Now click the drop-down menu in the Application Language section. You should see a list of available languages appear. Simply choose the language you want to use. Once you select it, ElevenLabs will update the interface to match your preferred language. If the change does not appear immediately, refresh the page or reopen the app just to make sure the new setting is fully loaded. And that's it. You've now changed the language in ElevenLabs. I hope this tutorial helped make the process fast and easy. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.